How to reset your forgotten eToro.com account's password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to log into your eToro account but you've forgotten your password during signing in, then here's how you can reset your password to a new one. First of all, launch open your web browser and type in eToro.com in the URL box and search. You'll then end up in the login page where you need to enter your credentials. When you don't remember your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link, and then on the next page, enter your email address that is associated with eToro. Now click Submit. Wait for an email with instruction that was sent to your email address. Go open up your email service provider's inbox. Click open the email that you received from eToro and then click on Set New Password button. This will guide you through the process and you'll get to change to a new password on the next page. Go ahead and enter your new password you want to change to for eToro in the first field. Once you do, head over to the next field and type in your new password once again. Make sure both of your passwords matches and click Submit. Now, your password was changed successfully. Click Login and in the login area, type in your email or username and then the new password in the password field. Finally, click Sign In. And you have successfully got access to your eToro account with the newly resetted password. Now every time you try to log into your account, you'll need to enter the newly updated password. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.